Hi, my name is Adrienne, and today I'll be going over my physical education newsletter. I made mine a little bit more colorful and geared it toward maybe parents reading it with their children. The first organization that I found was shapeamerica.org. It's an organization that serves as a voice for 200,000 health and physical education professionals. Their vision is a nation where all children are prepared to lead healthy, physically active lives. The website provides resources for physical education, physical activity, health education, research, and professional preparations. So I created a hyperlink here for Shape America where we can go ahead and click, and it takes you directly to the site of shapeamerica.org, and the parents can lead through here and research. And then what it does also provide is a teacher's toolbox, which helps address current PE issues. So I created little hyperlinks here to help for direct. So you want to make sure that your class is inclusive. So better ways to learning to adapt with children who have disabilities. So there's a full article here of different ways and resources where you can get to help children who are in need. Another one is Hot Topics, and it's basically touching it right now, especially with COVID. So it says hot topics of in health and physical education, so they can throw it here as well. And then I also included one for healthy eating. Another organization I found is myplate.org. For its parents, teachers, and students can learn how to build a healthy eating habits one goal at a time. And the website details what types of foods we should be eating, how much we should eat, and why it's important to eat the correct portions of fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. And then I have them guided over here where you click on the plate, and it leads you to the website as well. Another organization I found is for actionforhealthychildren.org. It's a national nonprofit that brings together dedicated volunteers and partners to make schools healthier places where kids can thrive. And it also provides resources to help with social emotional learning. And it helps educate the kids, our parents right now, to help educate their children, especially with COVID going on, where half of it they're going to school and the other half parents are having to help with their education. So if they click on this as well, it takes them to that article and organization. So for literature, it says you want to learn more about staying healthy. I found the book of Move Your Body. It was written in 2014 by Gina Ballacero, and it was published by Mailbox Press. And it's about a girl, Natalie, who's going to school, and they have a team race going on for field day, but all her teammates are out of breath and not ready for this big race. So give them little tips of how to become more active, get more energy. It includes little stretches and fun activities just to do to get the body moving. And there's a hyperlink for this as well, and they can click and actually hear somebody tell them this story as well. Two articles I did find were how much exercise do your kids need based on the latest research. And it's an article written by Jacqueline Howard, and it asked the question, how much daily exercise do kids really need? And I found this really informative because a lot of parents don't know how much energy or how much exercise a child really needs. It does say about an hour a day of physical activity. I find that my boys need a little bit more than that, otherwise they become very restless inside the house, especially at nighttime. So we try to go out as much as possible. And this article also gives different ways to, as you see the family working out together or they're riding bikes together, anything that's physically activity, taking a walk. And I created the hyperlink also on the picture. And then they can read the full article here as well. And another article I have is 10 healthy habits parents should teach their kids, and it's by Dr. Karen Gill, and it discusses in the article published on healthline.com the importance of creating healthy habits. And it's just little clues for how parents at home, different ways to make their plate a little healthier. So the first habit would be including colorful meals. Kids love to eat color. Throw it on the plate. Another one is habit 2, don't skip breakfast. It's a great way to start your brain and energy. And habit number 3 is to enjoy family meals. And I know right now everybody's busy, work, school, sports. One meal a week. It doesn't, it can be cooked or not cooked, we can pick it up, but as long as they're all eating together at the table. And I also have a link for that as well. So that is my newsletter. Thank you very much.